Your family home, your retirement savings, your children's inheritance, all locked away for 18 months or more. While lawyers and courts systematically drain $15,000, $20,000, even $50,000 from your estate, this isn't a hypothetical scenario. This is probate. And for the vast majority of families, it's the default reality when a loved one passes away. But it does not have to be your reality. In the next few minutes, I will reveal 4 legal, ironclad methods to ensure your estate completely bypasses the probate process. No courts, no lawyers, no agonizing delays. Your assets will transfer directly to your loved ones, precisely as you intended, in a matter of days, not years. The most empowering part? You can implement most of these strategies yourself without incurring exorbitant legal fees. This is arguably the most critical information you will ever receive about safeguarding your family's inheritance. Stay with me. That introduction may have sounded alarming, but I cannot overstate how devastating probate can be for a grieving family. I'm Renato, and on this channel, Silver Compass, we explore the financial strategies that empower our generation. And I can tell you with certainty, probate is one of the most significant and unnecessary destroyers of wealth that families face. Before we proceed, a necessary disclaimer. I am not a certified attorney or financial advisor. I am an individual who has spent 3 decades navigating the complexities of the corporate world and is now dedicated to discovering the most effective strategies for securing my own family's financial future. The information I'm sharing today is the result of my own intensive research and experience. I'm sharing it because I was astonished to learn how straightforward it can be to avoid this monumental legal entanglement, and I firmly believe that everyone should have access to these strategies. Consider me your guide, sharing the knowledge I've acquired. I always advise consulting with a qualified professional to address your unique circumstances. So, what exactly is probate? In the simplest terms, it is the court-supervised procedure for validating your will, settling your debts, and distributing your assets. While it may sound simple, it is a bureaucratic labyrinth. The proceedings are a matter of public record, meaning the details of your estate are open to public scrutiny. The process is notoriously slow, frequently extending for 1.5 years or longer, and it is expensive. Legal fees, court costs, and executor compensation can consume 5% to 10% of your total estate. For a $500,000 estate, that amounts to a loss of $25,000 to $50,000. But what if you could eliminate that entire process? What if there were legal instruments utilized by the affluent for generations that you could employ to bypass probate entirely? There are, and they are more accessible than you might imagine. In this video, we will dissect 4 powerful methods to shield your assets from probate. We will start with the most comprehensive tool, the Revocable Living Trust, and then explore 3 simpler, yet highly effective, strategies that you can implement immediately. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap for protecting your legacy. Method number 1. The Revocable Living Trust. This is the cornerstone of modern estate planning and the most effective way to avoid probate. A revocable living trust is a legal entity that you create to hold your assets. Think of it as a bucket. During your lifetime, you transfer your major assets, your house, your investment accounts, your business interests into this bucket. You are the trustee, so you maintain complete control. You can buy, sell, and manage the assets just as you do now. The revocable part means you can change it or cancel it at any time. When you pass away, the trust becomes irrevocable, and a successor trustee that you have designated, perhaps your spouse, your adult child, or a trusted friend, steps in. Their job is to distribute the assets to your beneficiaries according to the instructions you have laid out in the trust document. Because the trust owns the assets, not you personally, there is nothing to probate. The process is private, fast, and can save your family tens of thousands of dollars. Now, creating a living trust is more involved than the other methods we will discuss. It typically requires the assistance of an estate planning attorney, and the cost can range from $1,500 to $3,500. However, when you compare that to the potential cost of probate, it is a sound investment. We are just getting started, and I want to make sure you have all the resources you need. I have created a free downloadable PDF, the Ultimate Probate Bypass Checklist, which summarizes the key action steps for each of the 4 methods we are discussing today. The link is in the description below. It is a valuable tool to help you on your journey to protecting your assets. Download it now and let's continue. Method number 2. Beneficiary designations. This is one of the simplest and most overlooked ways to avoid probate. Many of your financial accounts allow you to name a beneficiary directly on the account. This includes life insurance policies, 401ks, IRAs, and annuities. When you pass away, the funds in these accounts pass directly to your named beneficiaries, completely bypassing probate. However, there is a critical pitfall to avoid: outdated beneficiary designations. I have heard horror stories of ex-spouses inheriting retirement accounts because the owner forgot to update the form after a divorce. Or, a new child is unintentionally disinherited because they were never added as a beneficiary. It is imperative that you review your beneficiary designations every few years, and especially after any major life event: marriage, divorce, birth, or death. Method number 3. Joint tenancy with right of survivorship. This is another straightforward strategy for avoiding probate on specific assets, particularly real estate. When you own property as a joint tenant with right of survivorship, and one of the owners passes away, the property automatically transfers to the surviving owner. No probate, no court involvement. This can be a useful tool for married couples, as it ensures the family home passes seamlessly to the surviving spouse. However, there are potential downsides to consider. Adding a non-spouse to the title of your home can have significant gift tax implications and expose the property to the other owner's creditors. It is a powerful tool, but one that should be used with caution and a clear understanding of the potential risks. We have covered 3 powerful strategies for avoiding probate. Now let's explore the 4th and final method, which is one of the easiest to implement. Method number 4. Payable on death, POD, and transfer on death, TOD, accounts. This is perhaps the simplest way to keep your financial accounts out of probate. A payable on death, POD account is a standard bank account, checking, savings, or a certificate of deposit with a named beneficiary. A transfer on death, TOD account is similar, but for investment accounts, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. During your lifetime, you have full control over the account. When you pass away, the funds are transferred directly to your beneficiary, bypassing probate entirely. Setting up a POD or TOD account is as simple as filling out a form at your bank or brokerage firm. It is a no-cost, highly effective way to ensure your liquid assets are immediately available to your family when they need them most. We have covered a lot of ground, and you now have a solid understanding of 4 legal methods to avoid probate. If you are finding this information valuable, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I release new videos every week on topics that are critical for our generation's financial well-being, and I would be honored to have you as part of our community. Conclusion: probate is a choice, not a requirement. By implementing one or more of the strategies we have discussed today, a revocable living trust, beneficiary designations, joint tenancy, and payable on death accounts, you can ensure that your assets are transferred to your loved ones quickly, privately, and without the unnecessary expense of probate. The peace of mind that comes from knowing you have protected your family's future is invaluable. Take the first step today. Review your accounts, Consider your options and start the conversation with your family and a qualified professional. Your legacy is worth protecting. Thank you for joining me on Silver Compass. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.